Morning, one and all. Last class, we discussed about animal tissues. Now, in the part of animal tissue, we discussed about nerve tissue. Nerve cells or neurons are the only cells in the body which do not have the ability of regeneration. These are very specialized cells. And also, there is no two neurons are same like appearance or functions also maybe. Cells of nervous system are highly specialized for transmitting the stimulus rapidly from one place to another within the body. We can distinguish the three major parts in the nerve cell. One is the cell body, and also it's called cyton. Another second is axon, and third part is dendrites. Now, find out the nerve cell. The structure is given the figure. The cell body. The cell body is called also soma. It's having one of the big nucleus. It is also called cyton, has a large nucleus and cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains granular structure called Nissls granules. See here, Nissl granules. This is the nucleus. It is overall called cell body. Some projections are arise from cell body. It is called dendrites. This shows the dendrite spots. It's called dendrites. And another one of the longest projection is appeared on the nerve cell. It is called axon. The axon having a myelin sheath. This myelin sheath interrupted at regular intervals called nodes of Ranavir. The myelin sheath is made up of Schwann cells and chiefly consists of fatty material. Axon not having the sheath or non-myelinated axon. Axon of a nerve cell is connected with the dendrites of a nearby nerve cell to form a web-like structure throughout the body. We know that the nerve cell is the structure and functional unit of nervous system. Our nervous system consists of more than 100 billion of them which communicate with each other in a specific manner. Dendrites of one nerve cell connect to the other or to the axons of the other nerve cell through connection called as a synapse. It is here one axon projections connected with to the another dendrite cells, neuron cells, it is called, the connection area is called synapse. The synapse is interchange the information one cell to another cell. It is called synapse. This the observe in the figure synapse. Synapse is the functional region of contact between two neurons, where information from one neuron is transmitted or relayed another neuron. So these are regions of minute gap, and essentially neurons do not have any protoplasmic connection between them. Yet information is passed from one nerve cell to the other. So these gaps, either in the form of chemical or electrical signals or both. These synapses are mainly found on the brain, spinal cord, and around the spinal cord. Beyond these areas, the axon carries the signals to respective areas in our body. Now, children, draw the neuron diagram and post in the Google Classroom. It is for your task.